These days, you cannot be more careful within your cyberworld. There are viruses, phishing scams, malware and the likes everywhere. But sometimes, the culprit are even closer than you think. They could have already accessed your Google Mail account, your Facebook account, and even your Netflix streaming account. So, in this video, I am going to teach you steps on how to check and make sure that your account are being accessed only by you or someone you have given permission to access it, and make sure that your account and data are in good hands. Let's start. Alright. Let's start with our Google account. We will open a browser, Chrome browser preferably, but any browser can work. Go to google.com. On Google page's top right corner, you will see who is logged into your Google account. You can click on it to check. If it's not you, you can sign out, then add another account to sign in with your own account. Once you are sure that you are logged in your proper account, you can go to google.com/devices. Since we are already in google.com, let me just add a /devices here. Then enter to go there. Okay. From here you can now see all the devices, its location and types of operating system of the device used to log in with your account. You can now review this list for any suspicious logins. Take note that the list is only from the 28 days. So it is advisable to check this every 28 days or sooner to make sure that you have scanned everything and don't miss anything. The list is neatly grouped as well, just like the first one here for Windows PC devices. And these are all from a Windows PC in the Philippines, and as mentioned in the note above the page, the list might contain items that are from the same device, so all of these looks all me. I also have 4 sessions from Android phones. ROG Phone 5 is obviously mine. I was also using Android emulators on my PC using OnePlus 5 and ROG Phone 2 as the base. So that's also mine. You can also see a note here if the device has been inactive for a while. In case you see something off, you can click on it. From this page, you can remotely sign out from that device. Once signed out, that device needs to re-enter the password for your Google account to be able to use it again. Aside from signing out, you can also try to find the device. If the device is a phone, you can also try calling it. Obviously I will not be able to find this phone, nor call it, since this is just a BlueStacks Android emulator. So if those does not work, your option is back to signing out the device. We also have a group here from Smart TV and TV boxes. I have 2. We also have an unknown devices here, which I should sign out. When you click the don't recognize something, it will just let you sign out on the device as well, but when you do, it will give you an option to change the password for security. Finally, I also have some casting devices group here which are both legit. After reviewing all of the items here and you found something concerning, the logical thing to do is to sign out on all the devices here, then change your Google account password. Now for Facebook. Just expand the menu from the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. This will open the Settings page. Now from the left side menu, click the Security and Log In. Under the Where You're Logged In section, you will see the last 2 devices, but you can click the See More to expand the list. You will see the device here, along with the location, the application used from the device, and the date and time Facebook account was used. Looking at this list now, there are weird places here that I have never been to in my life. But then again, I use VPN, so that might be the reason for these weird places. And we have an unknown device here, and even a login from a TV. If you see something off from the list, you can click on the ellipsis, then log out to the device, or click Not You. For Not You option, Facebook will give you an option to secure your account. You will go through the changing of password and all that process. When you choose the log out, your Facebook account will remotely be logged out from that device. You will need to review the whole list of course. You can log out the device one by one. But if you find too many questionable logins here, I would suggest to log out all sessions by clicking here. This will obviously log out all devices from your Facebook account. Then just below, you can change your password. And that's basically how you make sure that you're the only one using your Facebook account. And finally, let's go to our Netflix account. Let's drop down the menu from the profile icon. Then go to the account. This will open your account information page. Down below, go to Settings section. From here you will see the recent device streaming activity. Let's click on that. This will open the page that will list all the devices that uses your account. Under each device is the location, IP address, and when the account was last used. Talking about IP address, if you want to know what your IP address is, you can simply go to Google and in the search bar, type in, "What is my IP address?" Then you can have your IP address, which we can then match to the list of Netflix activities that we have here and know if it is you or someone else's IP address using the account. You can go through all the details and list here. Review them. Unfortunately, unlike in Google and Facebook account, you cannot remotely log out your account from any specific device listed here. What you can do is go back to the accounts page. And still under the settings section, you can find an option here to sign out of all devices. Once it is all signed out, you can change your password and sign back in with a new one. Hopefully Netflix takes note of the Google and Facebook style of letting you remotely sign out from a specific device, instead of letting you sign out from all of it. Anyway, the sign out of all device is still very helpful and it works, so that's good enough for now. And that's it for this video. I hope this helps in keeping your mind at peace with your Google, Facebook and Netflix accounts. If you have any related questions or additional information and suggestions about our topic in this video, do let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. Nova Air.